guys, it's Allie, and today I'm going to be opening up Kit's gardening outfit. It's from the new release at American Girl, and it's $45 Canadian. So I'm going to start off this video by inserting a few clips of all the new items at the store, and I met up with Deenaandbeena and Laurenofthedolls. So here's the little montage. Of course, the part you guys are all waiting for, the opening, and photos of this outfit will be at the end of this video. Also, at the Canadian stores, they are in Indigo Chapter stores, so they sell more than just American Girl. So I picked up this little Meetawi Rafiki bracelet in this really pretty white and gold color. So here's the box, and I'm super excited because I've opened dolls from American Girl, but I actually haven't opened up a full outfit in a while. So the first thing when you open up this outfit is this adorable shirt. There are some yellow flowers which don't really show up that great on camera and in the stock photos. And there's some dark pink, light pink, and blue. And there's a cute little collar and some blue buttons. It's a pretty thin material, but it's kind of soft and I like it. The sleeves are cuffed. Guys, real buttons. Real buttons are a huge plus. And this is the back. Super adorable. The next thing are these adorable overalls, and this is another reason why I wanted this outfit. For the overalls and the shoes, they are a blue and white striped pattern, and there's a little plastic American Girl tag here. They are cuffed. There's an adorable pocket here. These are actual metal. And then what you're gonna do is there are little holes in the straps here, and then you're just gonna attach it like that, like overalls. Just like that, and then if we turn it around, it's just plain, and then you can see that there's a little detail right here. And these overalls are just super cute, and they're gonna go with so much to make them modern. The next item is this really long head wrap. I actually thought that it was gonna be a headband style, kind of like the one that came with Leah's swimsuit. However, it's just a piece of fabric that is colored on both sides, and it's the same fabric as the shirt, so I don't really have to describe that. But the annoying thing, of course, with pretty much any American Girl headband is the long tag. However, you can just cut it off if you want. Finally, we have the reason I purchased this outfit in the first place, and I apologize, the laces are casting some shadows on the shoes. But these shoes are so cute, they go with the outfit so well, that they will make perfect modern ankle boots for my dolls, which is something I definitely need because I only have blue ankle boots for my dolls, which don't go with everything. So pretty much it is a faux leather material, I guess you would say. And then there is a rubber sole with a lot of detail into it. And then there is some gold thread details, and these actually do untie and tie up, which is, once again, actually a lot of detail. And then you've got the tongue, and these are just so cute together. Even though, yes, the quality of American Girl has gone down, especially accessory-wise, the fact that they're doing less Velcro and more buttons and actual shoes that you have to tie up, and they're not automatically done, just shows that they are improving a bit in the clothing world, I guess, which I really appreciate. Now to put it on a doll. So I put the outfit on Juniper and I added the headband to her and she looks adorable in it. So I'm going to be taking some photos tomorrow since it's actually 9 p.m. right now. So those will be inserted right here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you guys are planning on getting this outfit, and if you aren't, is there any outfit from the new release that you're planning on getting? Finally, and probably most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell to make sure you are aware whenever I upload. Have an amazing day and thank you guys for watching. Bye!